with another video of our 1 hour better series. Today we are focusing on this living room. So our two little dogs, we believe, are half Chihuahua, half Pug. And y'all, they breathe really, really loud. I asked them if they want to go outside, but they said, no, Ma, it's way too hot out there. So they've actually been spending a lot of time indoors, which is why we need to touch this living room. There's also a fly flying around here. So we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, at first glance, this living room doesn't look that bad. It just looks disheveled. And for the most part, it is, but the floor is just filthy. It needs a sweep, a vacuum, a mop. It needs it all. So I have a good feeling that the living room alone is gonna take up our full hour. So that's where we're gonna start and probably finish. But if we do have time, I do wanna hit the dining room. It's in need of attention. If not, we'll just have to do it later. With the dogs spending more time on the inside, they shed like crazy. If we don't do it once a week, it's like this. So if you have any tips on shedding or containing pet hair in the dog kennels, they are kennel trained. That is their safe spot. As you can see, Gidget and even Max, they just like to chill in there and hang out. And they just watch me clean up their mess. Anyway, let's not waste any more time and let's get to cleaning.
As I get started here, I want to share a little bit about today's sponsor, BetterHelp. For many years, I put off finding a therapist because I always found it very uncomfortable. You know, sitting in a small room with a human being in front of you, staring into your soul. Well, in 2020, I just couldn't put it off any longer. And as we all know, we couldn't exactly walk in for an in-person therapy at that time. That's actually how I found BetterHelp. They have a network of over 20,000 licensed therapists with a broad range of expertise that give you access to help that may not be available in your area. And they make it so easy to get set up. The link in the description box will take you to their website, and there you will fill out a questionnaire that will assess your specific needs and get you matched with a therapist in under 48 hours. Once you get set up, you can easily schedule your private video or phone sessions, and everything is confidential. What I really liked was I could message my therapist in between my weekly sessions if I needed her, and sometimes she would message me just to check on me or hold me accountable to an assignment she may have given me. You need a therapist that genuinely cares about your well-being, even outside of your sessions. If you feel like your initial therapist isn't a good match, you can request a new one at any time for no charge. If you feel like you could benefit from online therapy, I highly encourage you to join the 2 million plus people who have reached out to an experienced BetterHelp therapist. Go to the link betterhelp.com/Leaf.Like.On.A.Tree and you will also save 10% on your first month. BetterHelp is ready and waiting for you. Thank you, BetterHelp, for being a returning sponsor on my channel. And thank you guys so much for being here. How are my friends doing today? On a scale of 1 to 10, are you at a 1 being can't get out of bed, or a 10 being you are ready to kick today's butt? It's been another 2-week gap in between uploads, but this time it's because of good things. We celebrated birthdays, started extracurricular activities, had family in town, started our new school year, and then we went to the coast for our last summer hurrah. I thought about filming some of those things, but those types of vlog videos don't do very well on my channel. I don't know if I should start a second vlog style channel or just sprinkle those in here and there when I have a hard time keeping up with housework. What do y'all think? You know, life happens. Sometimes I can't get done what I needed to do, much less filming myself do such things. But, hey, I'm thankful for once my posting schedule is screwed up from life happenings and not a downward spiral. My mental health is slowly improving. I've been able to get out and exercise even. I even went to an in-person workout class, and if you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that. The first class was free and I loved it. I'm thinking about joining. But knowing my past habits, I'm just scared to commit. I usually let them go to waste. So We'll see. So I found us another good song, and I want to share it with you here in a second. I was listening to it and just found myself motivated to pull myself up and continue moving this home forward from my last depressive episode. It's called One Way by Melina Stark, and I hope you too find a little encouragement for yourself.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. We won't regret this. Let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You will see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way.
So I don't think the songwriter's talking about depression. Instead, I think he was more talking about making a better life with his partner, but I found their words encouraging to my battle. It's so easy to look at how bad things get around us, and it just makes us want to give up before we try. As the song said, the longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. And I kind of feel that way with mental health too. The longer we stay in that mindset, our boots get stuck in the mud. So let's make a promise to each other not to let that happen. But if it does, let's continue to help pull each other out. Y'all are such a gift to me, and I am so grateful for you.
If I'm being perfectly honest, it has probably been a solid few months since I moved furniture and gave this room a good deep clean. I still didn't get everything done that I wanted to. Believe it or not, it's already been an hour, so I'm resisting the urge to power through because this room could probably use another solid hour, but we got a lot done. We got a lot of things that needed to be done. I mean, those blinds, all that hair. I think I swept basically twice and then vac mopped once. Ton of hair. And Stephen usually does come and just do like quick little cleans around the dog kennels, because it would have been a lot worse than that had that been the only time we've done it in the last few months. But like vacuuming the couch, I have not had the energy to do that in forever. So I'm thankful for a good energy day. We got a lot done. I'm really excited. This is going to be the last time you see this living room like this. We have new furniture coming. Thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring this video. If you're ready to go ahead and get help, BetterHelp is ready for you. The link is in the description box. I hope y'all have a very blessed day. Go say something kind to yourself, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Ain't no worries, ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh.